This is act of wickedness. So now so palace people, they oppress people. You see what they happen here, so you see where they call the put stores. So they say Enogie of Uteh, and they put this building here. So he used the building for the shops. He take and block the entrance of the other compound. Take and oppress other persons. You see the old building, you see the old fence and the new fence. You see how down to this place. Make una begin to see him. Madam, well done again. We don't see and say you don't carry waka on this place again, and we come see and say even the one way was past the place where you go before. Now be this one. How you see this kind of matter? What thing they happen?
I really shocked the way Edopu they do. This place, as you see, say now road. This building they on the road. This road na major motorway, na 4-lane road. The setback of the road, now them build this thing put. If you look the corner, you go see say this place now part of an original plot. The original fence they there. Now them break them, put fence for the person. They don't even tell the person say they put fence there. Fence them out, come push shop. They don't mark this place, but they stop the work. They not agree, they continue. So as they come from where we come, now we stop. They remove them. And so we go give her notice, make it come out by himself. If not come out by himself and government come out by ourselves, we go charge them. So I did very surprised. The person when they do this thing, the thing they very embarrassing.
Waiting government they really put in place and getting information, because before it can't reach like this, so it be like say government not quick get information. And on the second now yes, on a fair put stop for here.
Yes.
And today now sister again within 4-5 days.
Yes.
Now I come this place so.
Yes.
So waiting be the matter when I put for granted to they get proper information on these illegal matters.
We get whistle blowing line. We get our own line too. We don't tell say if you see this, make una call us. Just call us, say see what they happen here. Because governor don't say no to land grabbing. So whether the grabbing na for na road you want take or na lay by setback now you want take, or na power line you want take, or na another man land, we say no to all. So if you see this cat, you go call us. We get number. So make you call us.